Get more views with YouTube end screen and cards. Did you know that adding end screen and cards can increase your video views by 20%? Let's explore how to leverage these tools effectively. In this video, you will learn how to use YouTube end screen and cards to boost your viewership and keep your audience engaged. Many creators struggle to retain viewers after a video ends and miss out on the additional views due to lack of effective use of end screen and cards. Now let's jump right into the tutorial. Now you have to go to your YouTube Studio desktop version. Just in case you don't have a laptop and you're using your phone, you simply go to your Google Chrome and type in YouTube Studio desktop site, long press open a new tab, then go and look for the new tab, open it and press continue in studio. It will take you straight to the YouTube Studio, and then you will come straight to your content here. Click on the particular video you want to add the end screen to, click the pencil icon, then move to this angle here. You will see end screen and cards. First, let's try to add end screen. In here we have a lot of templates. You can choose any one that best suits you. You might like to go for this one, adding 2 videos. Now I'm going to click on it. You can tap on each of them and add whatever video you wish to add. Now this is where you can add the video. There are 2 options here. The first is best for viewer. This is simply allowing YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit your viewer. The second option here is choose a specific video. Now here you have the opportunity to select videos by yourself, and I recommend doing that. Now let's click on choose specific video. So here I can choose any video I wish to use as my end screen, and I will do the same for the second video. Now you might wish to move these 2 videos to one side. You can do that by just dragging them like this. Now can you see the red sign? It's meaning that I have to give the end screen some spacing. One other thing you can do about end screen is to come here and input whatever time to time you want this end screen to appear and disappear. You can also manually adjust it here, then come here and click save. Now let's try to add cards. Now the best time to add cards in your video is the first few minutes of the video. The reason is some people might drop off from the video before it ends and might not have the opportunity to see your end screen. So before they drop off, you want to show them your card to spark curiosity in their mind about your next video. You can also use cards when you're trying to recommend another video to your audience during your video. Now bear this in mind about end screen and cards. You don't just use any kind of video. You have to use a video that is related to the current one that your viewers are watching. Now let's try to add cards. You can click on cards here. Now you can either add a video playlist or channel. But in this tutorial, we are going to be adding a video. The first way to add a card is to move this stroke to wherever you want the card to be. Then go and click video, choose your video, then the card will appear exactly where the stroke is. Another way to add card is coming here to specify the exact time you want the card to appear, and the card will appear at that particular time you have chosen. Then come here to click save. Please, we grow by helping each other. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, please. Everything I talk about on this channel is about YouTube setup. You won't regret subscribing to this channel. Please, my name is Marvelous Sunday. I'll see you in another video.